I start?
Nah, you start later.
That's chill.
Alright.
Hi, my name is Ryan Sevigny, and this is my bike check. I'm gonna start with the top. These are Odyssey Tom Doom grips, and they got the ill slit in them. Still the best grips ever, though. Got the button, you know, you gotta do a crank flip. You just touch it, crank spin. I got the Fiend Team Bars, 8.75 high, 28.5 wide, with hammered bronze finish. Feel better than your mom's tits. Got the Shadow Ravager stem, top load, mint stem, doesn't ever slip. Probably the best stem ever. I have a Fiend integrated headset. I have standard forks that I got for free, and they suck. Don't buy them if you grind because they're cracked. I have a Shadow Crow pivotal seat in all black with the middle cut out because, you know, you gotta put your ball somewhere. I have a seat post that I don't know what it is. I had a shark tooth I found on the ground at the skate park. Put it on my bike. Matches the water theme. I have Shadow Ravager plastic pedals with Stranger cranks in 175 and a Primo Solid V2 25 tooth sprocket. And all the cranks, I've had them for a year and a half, and they're still going. I have a Demolition complete back wheel with the dagger in case a homeless man tries to run up. He'll catch it. And then I got 3 Colbotto pegs with 1 Animal Butcher peg, and they're all 4.5 inches long.
Yeah, you're fucking up.
And then my front wheel is a Shadow Corvus with a Cinema VX front hub and a Cinema VX hub guard. And I have a Data Grind hub guard. And got some Walmart Goodyear tire tubes. Odyssey bars, plastic. They're like metal, but they're not, and they don't break your windows. And that is my bike. Use reflectors, kids, because the cops don't like you.